Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to leave comments on Google Docs. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Leaving comments on Google Docs using the app is a straightforward process, and here's how I do it. Step 1. If you haven't already, download and install the Google Docs app from the Google Play Store. Step 2. Launch the Google Docs app on your Android device. Step 3. Find and open the document where you want to leave a comment. Step 4. Tap and hold to highlight the text or section where you want to leave a comment. Step 7. A comment box will appear at the bottom of the screen. Type your comment or feedback in the provided text box. Step 8. Tap the send button, usually represented by an arrow or checkmark icon, to post your comment. Step 9. If you want to notify a specific person, you can either type the A or @ symbol followed by their email address and the comment box. This will tag them in a comment. Remember that comments in Google Docs are collaborative, and others who have access to the document can view and respond to your comments. Additionally, if you've been mentioned in a comment, you'll receive a notification. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.